guys, we are back in the garage today working on, you guessed it, another Yamaha. This is my buddy Albert's quad. You guys might recognize this quad. We did some videos on this machine last year with a bunch of different mods. We're doing some upgrades and just some routine maintenance. We're going to be rebuilding the entire rear end of this quad. Basically all brand new bearings in the swing arm, brand new carrier along with carrier bearings, brand new chain and sprockets, brand new adjustable axle, and we're going to do some new beadlock wheels and some brand new GBC tires. We got the tires right there. You can see all our OEM parts here. We're going to do a brand new skid plate as well, and then a brand new sprocket guard. We are just waiting for our front sprocket. We should see that in a day or two, and then we're going to do some frame guards. These things are sweet, guys. I've showed you them before. We're going to do it in time lapse just so it's quick. So let's get to work. we are done with this quad. Show you her all finished up. So I'll give you guys a quick rundown of everything we did. We didn't film doing the tires. We did do beadlock rims, and we did mud plugs and new GBC tires. I didn't film that because, I don't know, figured you guys wouldn't be interested in that. But what we did do, and I kind of regret not filming this, is these are Gold Speed beadlocks, and they're not bad. They're pretty nice. But these tabs for the mud plugs, you have to actually install these. So to bolt down these rings, it has these like half circles that get riveted onto the rim. So they are replaceable, which is nice, but to install these tabs, you need to drill out all the rivets and then re-rivet these in. It was definitely a little bit of a pain in the butt, but once I got one figured out, the rest were kind of smooth. I wish I filmed that for you guys to show you, but it's not horrible. So we did, like I said, brand new GBC tires, XC Master fronts with the mud plugs, carbon mud plugs. GB3 rears, same deal. These are dual bead locks, so we got mud plugs on the inside and the outside. They look sweet. We did a brand new Sunstar chain and sprockets, their highest grade chain, the gold X-ring chain. We did a dual sprocket guard from B&R Motorsports along with B&R Motorsports rotor guard. You can see that right there. And then we basically just rebuilt the entire rear end. We did brand new pivot bearings, brand new linkage bearings, brand new knuckle bearings, brand new axle, brand new carrier and carrier bearings. Definitely looks sweet. She is ready to rip, so Albert should be pretty pumped. This thing is ready to get some laps in. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. As always, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That helps a ton. Drop some comments, let me know what you think. And if you're not yet, please subscribe. But that's the end of this one, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.